this. Here's my setup. It's very basic. Also, I know the bottom pics are a little dark. They are... Wait. They are of my Xbox One and 360 and my TV. The main light in my room went out like 5 minutes before I took the pic and I didn't have a replacement light bulb. Oh my god, okay.
Likely story.
What you should have done
Still don't
is
have a
had
replacement
someone
light
just
bulb,
standing
otherwise I would
here.
have redone the pics. I'm a poor goon frown.
Katie,
Just
I mean,
Katie,
that's
I
part
want
of
you to
stealing
look at the
families
laptop
directly above my bed.
and then look down.
Wait, what?
I want you to take a look at the laptop and then look downwards.
Wait, what? Look at the laptop and then look down.
Yeah, look down. Look on the image. I don't know if that's a knee or.
I thought it was someone in a bed sheet. Put Neo in the background. That's not a bad show, actually.
Someone's happy.
Boner alert! Nice.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Man's rocking in with. Man was happy with the SpongeBob pajamas.
What the fuck is this?
Sir, I'm gonna have to ask you what your body count is.
Dude, I can't get her for that.
I give that a. I'm gonna give my review right now. My score right now. I give that a SpongeBob nose out of 10.
I give it a boner out of 10.
I'm gonna go for that, but I was like, I don't know if I should do that one. You know what? Yeah, I agree.
I can't really
I give
see
that.
much,
I give that a
honestly.
full chub out of 10.
I can't really see much, honestly. It looks like a laptop that you just like kind of chill in bed with, which is, you know, that's Pog. That's based.
Full mass out of 10.
Base and raised.
Yes, Pog is fucking, yeah. Nice dick.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice cock.